with all these, what's your name? Mr. Denmark. Do you have any luggage, sir? Can I carry your luggage to the floor section, please? Follow me, sir. Okay, sir, we are now on accept in this area. And she is Miss Giselle, and she is studying today. And Miss Giselle, can I have a reservation form? Okay, sir, for this reservation form, can I fill up this your personal information? Okay, so Miss O'Highland, can I have a key card? Yes, sir. This is your key card. Your room now is 205, okay, to the second floor. Okay, sir, this is your key card. Before proceeding to your room, I will introduce to our hotel. And we have swimming pool on the located in the third floor. And we have a mini bar in the outside. Okay, sir, we are now to your room. Sir, can I have a key card?
Yes.
And before start, you have a swipe booth, and the door is automatic open. Please just follow me. Before we start, you can put this your key card, and the light is automatic is turn on. Okay, sir. This is your room. You have queen size, and you have air conditioner, and you have 16 inches TV, and also we have 28 channels, and then you have 2 seats, and okay, sir. This is your bathroom area, and you have amenities like soap. Or etc. And you have this is your safety box, and can you put your other clothes? And then, sir, let's proceed to our bed size. And you have the 2 bed size, one queen size and one single bed. And you have free electric fan, and you have a vanity mirror, and then sir, can I unpack your luggage, sir?
No.
Okay, sir. If you need anything else, don't hesitate me. Just call me on 305. And with this, sir, have a nice day.
Thank you.